Hey tubers. Wow, really nice day. It's after Thanksgiving and quick video for you. Let's talk about old cars. This one's 22 years old behind me. It just happens to be a Toyota. But biggest problem, me and I'm sure all the other people who fool around with their cars finds, is as they get old, it's the rubber and the plastic that'll really start bothering you. So, what's going on with this one is, underneath one of the splash panels, because they're just plastic skid plates, the splash panels has popped off, and it's those push-in plastic buttons, that kind of crap, which I don't have one. But what I do have is zip ties. So I'm going to take you under, show you what it looks like. I'll wrap the zip ties around some piece of frame, go through the buttonhole, and then I'll bring you back after so you can see again what the repair looks like. So we go under here. Oh, I don't know, what can we see? Oh, actually pretty good. All right. That's the piece right there. There's a piece of frame here. Let's see if I can get that. Let's put these zip ties together. Alrighty. Now it's going to be hard to get over here in that spot, so let me thread them through over here and try sliding it over. Ugh. Some people might be smart enough to put this on a jack stand or jack it up at all, but I'm just fooling with it on natural. Okay. Let's find out if this will work, because I'm hearing a little flapping when I'm driving down the road. Hey, that is actually pretty damn good. Now all I need to do is get something to trim it off and I'm golden. Oh. Job well done.